Hi everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing fine. My name is Ogudimu Olumide, the founder of Microsoft Technologies. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can access your Twitter account despite the ban. You understand? And as you can see, like this is my Twitter account, and if I click on it and I open it, I'm still able to run the account here in Nigeria despite the ban and everything. So it's a very short video and I'm going to quickly get you into it. All right, now for you to be able to access your Twitter account, despite the fact that it is being banned in Nigeria, and you are going to make use of a VPN. And the thing is that most of those VPN that we have, some of them are fake, and even some, they are just full with ads and everything. You might not really enjoy it. But I'm going to introduce to you a VPN that is working for me that I've been using for long and it's very fine. So let's get started. Just go to if you're using Android, just go to Play Store and just go to Play Store and you you search for the app. Where you just go to Play Store, then you search for um Thunder VPN. Just type Thunder VPN. Sorry, right now. So if you are using Apple, I think you should have it as well. Just type THUNDER Thunder VPN. So just wait for it to load, and you see this icon. So this is the icon of the Thunder VPN, and just click on the download and download it. You rest, you understand? Just click on it and download it. Yeah, sorry. So let's do that. So this is Thunderbolt VPN. So you just download the what, download it, and after downloading it, then it's very easy. It's very easy. After downloading it, just sorry, please. I'm just trying to highlight it for you. Yeah. So this is right. Can you see the icon? Yes, that's what I'm just trying to do. All right. So once you just click on download and download it, then you open the app. It's very easy. It's one of the simplest VPN. You don't even need to stress yourself. Once you open it, because I already have it on my phone, just follow the instruction and just follow everything that is. Just click on yeah, just accept everything and you'll be fine. So once you get there, it's going to you know by default it's going to set your default location to the very fastest server you understand. But in my own, when after signing up and doing everything, the location you set for me is USC because I think that's the best location when it comes to this. But fine, if you want to change your location, you can still click on this icon, on the flag icon, then you can change your location. So can you see? You can change your location to any location that you want. But if you can see very well now, this is the fastest server. It automatically selected the fastest server, which is USC from. You can see if you look at the network, you see that the one I'm using currently has the highest service. You understand? You can choose to use Germany, you can choose United Kingdom, you can choose anyone you like. So that's just how you can wide access your Twitter account. After doing this thing, once you have the status connected, once this thing is showing connected, definitely yes, you are already using VPN. You understand? So just go to your Twitter account, then it's gonna work. Everything's just gonna work perfectly. All right, please, if you like this video, please kindly subscribe and please let me get a thumbs up. You can also share it to your friends. Please just subscribe to this channel for more videos. And please, this week I'm going to be releasing a video for those of you that would like to open your own YouTube channel. Probably you don't have a system, but you want to open your channel using mobile phone. I'm going to be doing a video this week. So kindly subscribe and hit the notification bell icon so that you can be the first to get the video. And again, I'm going to be hosting a free web design class here on YouTube. Just watch out. Still this month, just watch out. All right, take care. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye.